angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. So, do you think this is followed by the instruction? Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Take a look on this. Angle 1 and angle 5. That is one question that will bring you to the understanding about properties. Angle 1 is what? Interior. What? Where is angle 1 here? Nasa exterior. Is it correct? But it said that angle 1 and angle 5 are alternate interior angle. So that is 1 and 5 located here. You get that?
Yes.
Angle 1. So pwede natin i-adjust yan. I-adjust natin. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Alternate interior angle. So we have here angle 1 and angle 5. So from the problem, the measure of angle 1 is equals to 5x minus 1 degrees, and the measure of angle 5 is 3x plus 7 degrees. And what is true about alternate interior angle? What is true about alternate interior angle? Okay. They are congruent. So if they are congruent, so we say the measure of angle 1 is congruent to the measure of angle 5. One true about congruent, measure must be the same, or they must be 1. So after knowing they are equal, we can solve that value of x. So we have now find the value of x. So we have here 5x minus 1 degrees is equals to 3x plus 7 degrees. Right? Two-way equation, the left and right. Okay, what can you say about the equation here? We have variable x. Diba? So what will you do with that? Ano gagawin natin sa variable? Combine, and of course we need to transpose some term in combining. Now, when you combine, we need to transpose term. So it becomes what? 5x minus 3x, and of course 7, and that becomes plus 1. Alright? So we have here 5 minus 3 is what? 2. So we have here 2 times x equals 7 plus 1. 8. So find the value of x. X becomes 8 divided by 2. X becomes 4. Is it correct? Yes. Now, what's an answer like this? Kapag may sagot kayong 4. Oh, now, what will be the value of the equation 1 if x is 4? What will you do now? Since we have the value of x, ano na gagawin natin?
5 times 4 minus 1. 5 times 4 minus 1.
So, apply it now. The measure of angle 5 is equals to what? 3x plus 7 degrees. Is it correct? And so, what is our x? 4 plus 7. 3 times 4 we have plus 7. Ilan? 19. So 19 degrees. No? 19 degrees. So angle 1, the measure of angle 1 becomes what? Anong measure ng angle 1 natin? 5x minus 1 degrees. 5. What is x again? 4. So 5 times 4 minus 1. Is it correct? 5 times 4? 20 minus 1. So the measure of angle 1 is equals 90